Hello everybody, today I'm making a spa gift box with real flowers. In this gift I'm using a box, matches, lavender scented soap, lavender scented soy candle, milk bath powder, these beautiful flowers, some gray shredded paper, and water tubes to keep flowers alive. I didn't have stickers for my milk bath powder, so I printed out 3 sizes on the sticky paper and tried every single one. The last one was exactly what I was looking for. Afterwards, I checked the water tubes so I made sure the water is not coming out of them and they closed properly. I filled out the box with paper halfway and put in the milk bath powder first, as it's the biggest tin I had, so I had to make sure the box is closing. Then I put in the candle, soap, matches, and when everything was on their places, I got to the flowers. I cut flowers one by one and put them straight into the water tubes just to make sure the air doesn't fill up the colored part so the flowers can easily drink the water. And they are ready to be put in the box. I'm starting with the bigger flowers to fill up this space, so I'll have just few spots where I need to put smaller flowers. I decided to put green leaves so the composition will look finished. Some final touches and the box is ready.